What do the studies show about chiropractic adjustments and the nervous system? Well, in one study, brain scans showed people shifting out of fight or flight, or the sympathetic nervous system, after an adjustment. In another study, saliva tests also showed recorded drops in stress markers. Muscle tension also decreases, reducing the pressure on the spine and improving the flow of nerve signals. The upper neck can also play a major role in how the vagus nerve communicates. Another study showed improvements in vagus nerve activity measured through heart rate variability. One adjustment can help your nervous system settle, adapt, and function more efficiently. And consistent care helps keep it that way. Support your nervous system. Call or click to book your chiropractic appointment now.